a Japanese laundry method that amazes with its effectiveness. See why ordinary laundry will never be the same again. For this, you'll need a drying rack. Start by hanging the longest clothes. Place them on the edges of the rack, on both sides. Then move each following item gradually toward the center, leaving enough space between them. Notice how each piece closer to the center is smaller. Larger clothes stay on the outside, and there's an important reason for that. Keep hanging until you reach the middle, where the smallest items go. Your drying rack should look just like this. Why is this Japanese method so effective? Because the laundry dries much faster. A curve forms in the middle, which supports the drying process. Warm air from the room gathers there, speeding up evaporation. This method not only saves you time, but also makes your laundry dry evenly and smell fresh. Just one simple trick can make daily chores so much easier. A regular washing machine can dry your laundry too. Every machine has this function, and your clothes can come out just as dry as from a dryer. If you haven't tried it yet, now is the time. No need to set up a drying rack that takes up space in your room. You'll save time and effort. How is this possible? It turns out that a regular washing machine can dry clothes. After washing, don't take them out immediately. Instead, add a fluffy towel to the drum. If there's enough space, add 2. Then run the spin cycle at the highest speed. The dry towels will absorb the moisture from your clothes. By the end of the cycle, your laundry will feel like it came straight from a dryer. For even better results, set the highest spin speed during the wash cycle. A final spin with dry towels will make drying even more effective. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. Pour a cup into the washing machine and you'll be shocked at what happens. You'll end up using this trick more often than you think. Your laundry has never been this nice. Towels will be fluffy and soft like new. Prepare your laundry as usual by putting it in the drum. Next, pour 250 milliliters of vinegar into the detergent drawer. You don't need to add any other liquid. Just run the wash on your usual program. When it's finished, add baking soda, specifically 50 grams, to the same drawer. Then run the wash cycle again. Once it's done, take out your laundry and dry it. You'll feel how fluffy and soft it is. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. It's a simple and eco-friendly solution. Just vinegar and a bit of baking soda. Try it yourself. Does your washing machine smell like mildew? That's because of sludge stuck in the seals and internal parts. There's a simple trick for this. For years, I've kept dishwasher tablets with my laundry supplies. Their cleaning power works perfectly for routine washing machine maintenance. I toss 2 tablets into the drum, set the program to 104 degrees Fahrenheit with the shortest cycle, and start it. The tablets dissolve during the wash and clean the entire inside of the machine, including the seals. No scrubbing needed. After this, the washer smells fresh. The sludge gets rinsed away and there's less limescale buildup. Even plumbers recommend this trick. Throw a trash bag into the washing machine. You'll be surprised at what it can do. A simple plastic bag will make your clothes come out cleaner. How is that possible? Clothes collect dust, lint, and hair, which often settle around the rubber seal of the washer. These particles remain in the drum and mix with clothes in the next wash. But a simple plastic bag can solve this problem. Place a plain, unprinted plastic bag in the washing machine along with your clothes or towels. Add detergent, a laundry pod, and fabric softener as usual. Set the wash cycle to a temperature no higher than 40 degrees and start the machine. What happens next? You'll notice more foam than usual because the plastic bag enhances detergent foaming. Additionally, during the wash cycle, the bag will attract dirt, hair, and lint from your clothes. Once the wash is done, open the machine, take out your laundry, and remove the plastic bag. Your clothes will be cleaner, and your washing machine will be free of lint and hair. This method will make your home smell like a luxury residence. You can make it with things you already have at home. First, get a clean decorative jar, the bigger the better. Measure out 3 cups of regular water and pour it into the jar. These proportions are important. Next, add 2 cups of alcohol. Alcohol has antibacterial properties and helps evaporate excess moisture. Now add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. This gives you a scent that fills the space like in a luxury interior. Choose any essential oil you like. Also add 1 tablespoon of dish soap you have at home. It's great for dissolving grease and dirt. Stir everything thoroughly so the ingredients blend well. Now the most important step. Take an old cotton t-shirt and cut it into smaller pieces. This is a great way to reuse old fabric. Place the ready pieces into the jar and soak them completely in the fragrant mixture. In just a few minutes, you'll have homemade reusable cleaning wipes. They not only disinfect and clean all surfaces, but also leave a scent that feels elegant and fresh. Your home will shine with cleanliness and smell like a luxury residence. These tricks will ensure your towels are never rough again, and you'll use them more often than you think. Your laundry will feel softer and more pleasant than ever. Prepare your towels as usual by placing them in the washing machine. Then pour 250 milliliters of vinegar into the detergent and fabric softener compartment. You don't need to add any other detergent or softener. A single wash with vinegar will remove residue, limescale, and leftover detergents that make towels rough and less absorbent. From now on, towels washed this way will be as soft and fluffy as new. Hang freshly washed towels properly, as this is crucial for maintaining their condition and reducing drying time. After removing them from the washing machine, shake the towels to loosen the fibers and reduce creases. Ensure they are fully unfolded to maximize their drying surface. Dry them in a well-ventilated place, ideally outdoors, or in a breezy room. Airflow softens the towels and prevents stiffness. Avoid drying towels in areas with poor air circulation, as this can lead to mildew and unpleasant odors. Using too much detergent is a common mistake that can make towels rough. The amount of detergent significantly impacts the softness of your laundry. Excess detergent can build up on towel fibers, leaving them stiff. Soaking towels in water with vinegar before washing can bring many benefits, such as softening fibers, removing musty odors, and eliminating detergent residue and limescale. Regularly soaking towels in vinegar will keep them perfectly soft. If your towels feel rough after washing, pay attention to one important detail next time. When loading towels into the washing machine, make sure to leave some space. About 1/5 of the drum should remain empty. Overloading the machine can cause uneven detergent distribution. Always use the amount of detergent recommended on the packaging. The right amount makes a big difference in the quality of your towels. Following these tips will ensure your towels are perfectly soft after every wash.